Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and in this video I'm going to show you a new kind of game by Rubik's. It's called a Rubik's Cage. I'm really excited to check it out and I hope you guys are too. Roll the intro. So this is what's in the box. You have the whoa, it turns better than a Rubik's brand. Look at that. Okay, let's stop with the jokes. This is what you get inside the package. It has a tutorial as well. It isn't in English. I got it in a Belgian store, so it's Dutch, French, and German. Yeah, we have 3 main languages. So the instruction says you have to start with an empty cube. Let's do that first. Do they come out easily? They do. Oof, that was loud. And the cage only turns like this, the bottom and the upside, and not like this. So only U moves and D moves. That's the only moves you can make. Ah, it snaps into place. It's like, is it magnetic? This one can go on and on. Oh man, this is loud. But, oh, if you feel closely, it's like... I don't think it's magnets. I guess it... ball bearings or... Look at that. Wait, look. So... Oh, that's really satisfying actually. First Rubik's brand with magnets. No. So is it? That's a sticker. I thought it was a tile. So you can peel the stickers off on this one. Yeah, but can you? I'm not going to disassemble it. Let's get on with the instruction. So, as the instruction says, you can play this with 2, 3, or 4 players. If you play with 2, either of you will have to choose 3 colors in particular, and you have 12 cubies each. If you play with 3, you choose 2 colors. If you play with 4, you choose 1 color. So, yeah. See what I did there? I put the colors in fire and ice style. Yeah, don't blame me. So this is for player 1, player 2, and what you have to do is you put the Rubik's cage at the center of the table. The youngest player can begin. Yeah, sure you can. What you can do are 3 options. Or you can drop a cubie in the cage. Or you can turn the cage 90 degrees, or you can turn the cage upside down, which flips the cubies, and that's 1 turn. And if a player doesn't have any cubies left, he can only turn the cube like this, or like this, or like this, 90 degrees. Or the other option you can do is just turn the cube upside down. So how do you win the game? You win the game if you have 3 cubies with the same color next to each other. So like this. I guess it won't be this easy like I did right now. You can also win diagonally, horizontally, or vertically. So if you have 3 in a row, you won. The game is also at a tie when no one has cubies left. And also if a player has done a move, let's say 90 degrees turn, the other player can't undo the move directly. So yeah, that's the game. Pretty straightforward, but I guess it will be it will be a fun game to play. And it also may encourage non-cubers to start solving a regular cube. Yeah, who knows? This is it for the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I do videos like this on here all the time. If you have some suggestions on what video I should do next, please leave it in the comments below. Okay, thanks for watching. Belgian Speedcuber out.